Dear students, in this session we are going to solve the given pair of linear equations by the rule of cross multiplication. Solve 2x equals minus 7y plus 5 and minus 3x equals minus 8y minus 11 by the method of cross multiplication. Solution: the given system of equation can be written in its standard form as 2x plus 7y minus 5 equals 0 and minus 3x plus 8y plus 11 equals 0. Here a1 equals 2, b1 value equals 7, c1 value equals minus 5. Also a2 equals minus 3, b2 equals 8 and c2 value equals 11. Now we are going to apply the cross multiplication method by writing the coefficients as mentioned here. In the first row we will simply write it as x, y and 1. That's what I have done it here. In the second row we need to write the values of b1, c1, a1 and b1. So the corresponding values are 7, minus 5, 2 and 7. In the third row we need to write the values of b2, c2, a2 and b2. So I have the values to be 8, 11, minus 3 and 8. Next we are going to make use of this formula: x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals y whole divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that's equal to 1 whole divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So correspondingly I have it as x whole divided by 7 into 11 minus 8 into minus 5, that's equal to y whole divided by minus 5 into minus 3 minus of 11 into 2, that's equal to 1 whole divided by 2 into 8 minus of minus 3 into 7. Simplifying it further, we have it as x whole divided by 7 into 11 will be 77, minus of 8 into minus 5 will be plus 40, that's equal to y whole divided by minus 5 into minus 3 will be plus 15, minus of 11 into 2 will be minus 22, that's equal to 1 whole divided by 2 8s are 16, minus of minus 3 into 7 will be plus 21. That is how we have the step to be x whole divided by 77 plus 40, that's equal to y whole divided by 15 minus 22, that's equal to 1 whole divided by 16 plus 21. On further simplifying, we have the next step to be x whole divided by 40 plus 77 will be 117, that's equal to y whole divided by 15 minus 22 equals minus 7, that's equal to 1 whole divided by 16 plus 21 equals 37. In the next step we are going to equate the first and the third ratio, that gives x whole divided by 117 to be equal to 1 by 37. In our next step we will equate the second ratio and the third ratio and see what happens. So we have it as y whole divided by minus 7 equals 1 by 37. So that gives the value of x to be equal to 117 by 37 and y value to be equal to minus 7 by 37. Now let us verify whether these values whatever we have obtained just now is correct or not. Now consider the first equation: 2x plus 7y minus 5 equals 0. Substitute the value of x equals 117 by 37 and y value of minus 7 by 37 and verify. So we have it as 2 into 117 by 37 plus 7 into minus 7 by 37 minus 5. Now 2 into 117 will be 234 plus 7 into minus 7 will be minus 49. Whole divided by 37 is of course there, that will retain as it is, minus 5 equals 0. Further simplifying by taking the LCM to be 37, we have it as 234 minus 49 to be 185 whole divided by 37 minus 5 equals 0. But what is 185 by 37? That value is 5. So 5 minus 5 equals 0 and the right hand side value is also equal to 0, which means we have verified for the first equation. Since we have verified LHS equals RHS for x value equals 117 by 37 and y value to be minus 7 by 37. It means our answer is correct. Next we shall check if the value of x and y is true for the second equation also. The second equation is minus 3x plus 8y plus 11 equals 0. On substituting x equals 117 by 37 and y equals minus 7 by 37, we have minus 3 into 117 by 37 plus 8 into minus 7 by 37 plus 11. Now minus 3 into 117 will be minus 351 and also minus 7 into 8 will be minus 56. Therefore our next step becomes minus 351 by 37 minus 56 by 37 plus 11. Of course minus 351 by 37 minus 56 by 37 will be equal to minus 407 by 37. Plus 11 is already there, that also we will retain as it is. Now minus 407 by 37 equals minus 11 and already plus 11 is there. On adding that also we have minus 11 plus 11 to be equal to 0. This is the same as that of right hand side value. Since LHS equals RHS, both are equal to 0, it means the value of x and y what we have obtained is correct. Therefore the required solution is 117 by 37 comma minus 7 by 37. This is how we solve the given pair of linear equations by the rule of cross multiplication. Thank you students.